Hey everyone! Crypto is powerful, but let's be honest, it's complicated. Sending tokens across different blockchains? A nightmare. Wallet addresses are long, confusing, and one wrong letter could mean your money is gone forever. Imagine this. Grandma Betty wants to send some crypto, but she's staring at this jumble of numbers and letters like it's a calculus problem. Oh dear, what is this jumble of numbers and letters? This looks harder than my old TV remote. Well folks, meet Akasha, the world's first layer 0 blockchain platform that makes sending crypto as easy as dialing a phone number. Yeah, you heard me right. No more copying and pasting those long addresses. Check this out. Grandma Betty just enters a short numeric address, similar to a phone number, and presses send. And bam! Her funds are instantly sent across multiple blockchains. Wow, that's it? Just a simple number? Yep, Grandma Betty. That's it. With Akasha's revolutionary technology, you can send assets across multiple blockchains effortlessly. No more mistakes, no more headaches, just a universal human-friendly system. Picture this: Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, all seamlessly interconnected by Akasha. Akasha isn't just a layer 1 or layer 2, it's layer 0. The foundation that connects all blockchains into one simple, seamless experience. Imagine businesses, families, global users, all sending and receiving funds with ease. The future of Web3 starts here, folks. Welcome to Akasha. Crypto made simple for everyone. Ready to join the revolution? Visit akashalife.org to learn more and get started today. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to Akasha.